spit, spit, spit.
Was I supposed to feel anything? Oh, yeah. It didn't hurt. It's very good tonight. Okay, Chris, man. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Oh my god, he's spitting me out! Nobody's spitting you up, sweetie! Oh my god! Oh my god, it hurts so much! What was that last part again? Oh yeah, he kicked me in the face.
Do the rumbly thingy that he does when he's going down.
It's so tiring. Oh my god! He's like, blah, 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 blah.
Wait, keep going, keep going. Slow motion. Do the rip throw out. Rip throw out. Do the toe. The rip throw the toe. Rip the toe out with the toe. Rip toe with the toe with the toe.
Bitch, you videotaping my ass?
This is going on YouTube.
Nah, don't put this shit on YouTube here. What are you doing?
Do it. Do it. Manny, do it. Do it.
Why did I find this under my pillow? I know this is yours. What the fuck are you doing, nigga?
Do it again. That nigga was jumping.
What is that? What are you doing? What is that? Why am I doing it? What is it? Straight up, if you guys don't fucking tell me what it is, I'm a fucking, what are you doing, nigga? What is he doing? What is he doing? I'm punching him in shit.
He's punching your shit. He's headbutting you right now.
He's what?
He's chopping you up like a bitch.
How is he chopping me?
Yeah, you only
I
knew.
don't fucking get it. I'm out.
Wait, what are you doing? This nigga's doing something to the girl. Wait, let me zoom in. That nigga's so stupid. Okay. Okay, that was a good night.